guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing a star with its thumbs up under an umbrella. So first, all you have to do is draw one triangle that's got a curved side at there, but don't connect it. Then do another one at the side, and do another one at the opposite side, and then do two at the bottom. Maybe we shouldn't do it with its thumbs up. Let's just do okay, fine, we couldn't. Then when we draw its eyes, I'm gonna make him, he's sleeping. So I'm gonna have his, eyes as, a line. And I'm gonna make her a girl like I usually do. And then I'm gonna do a little smile there. And then I'm gonna do one of that on each side. And then I'm gonna do something like this. It's not right, so doesn't matter. Okay, it's not very good, but it doesn't matter. Okay, those aren't very good. Come on. Wait. Yeah. Okay, and then we could do the umbrella. I'm gonna do he or she standing in front of a beach umbrella. So it's gonna be a big one like that, and then it's gonna be like that. That, and then I'm gonna have a little beach mat. And now you finish drawing your star under an umbrella. Now, if you want to color my coloring, you'll pause the video at the end. You can pause the video at the end of the video to copy my coloring. So I'm just gonna time lapse this coloring now.
Me on silence, my story way vibrant, I'm gone. Hold me when I'm falling, niggas want it on me, want it tell it on me. Stood up now I'm stony, I got a lot of fake ones, I just want it bail out, niggas monkey raw. I know.
So if you want to copy the coloring, pause the video now and copy the coloring. Okay, if you like my video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Just like that, this is Nikki signing out for now.